Okay, Mr. Ntanzi, we are still continuing on the theme of communication between your numbers, both your numbers, as well as the numbers belonging to some of the accused and or the persons known to you and the accused, and we shall be using the term common contact.
Sisaqhubeka ke ngokuxhumana ukushayelana ucingo phakathi kwa inamba yakho noma amanamba akho nabanye babasolwa noma ke abantu abaziyo nabanye babasolwa nabantu futhi ke abazanayo noma ababaziyo sisaqhubeka ke ngalokho.
And we just wish to show you an extract of the section 205 from your other number, the secondary number ending 8460. The full number is 076 264 8460.
Yona ke section 205 yona ke yenye number yakho egcina ngo8460 mayiphelele u076 264 8460.
And we are going to refer to Exhibit DD 5E, Roman figure 2. These are the section 205 for the number ending 8460.
Sebenzisa yena ke Exhibit DD 5 section 205 ke yayo le number lena egcina ngayo 8460.
It's page 6 of 59.
Page 6.
We'll give you the case ID just now. Your number ending 8460 on the 10th of December 2019 at 18:59 05 seconds made an outgoing call lasting 104 seconds. It's an MOC to the number linked to accused number 1, namely 07937900137. The tower is 2G Freedom Park at NGA.
Lana ke nge-10 zika December 2019 isikhathi u18:59:05 umzuzu owodwa kushayeke u7 ama-seconds awu5. Inamba yakho egcina ngo8460 yashayela ke inamba le ehlanganiswa nomsolo woqala ku0793790137. Isikhathi ke kwakungama-seconds awu104. Itower u2G Freedom Park NGA 1.
I'm still maintaining that even on your secondary number, you were calling the number of accused number 1 and speaking to Ngobeni.
Ungabe usakusho ke noma ke usamile ke kule yankulumo yokuthi naku lena inamba yakho yesibili egcina ngo8460 wawuxhumana nenamba kamsolo wokuqala ngenhloso noma ngenjongo yokukhuluma noGwabeni?
Yebo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, my lord, I still maintain that.
Niphinde futhi ngikhumbuze lapha phambi kwecourt. Nkosi enkantolo, mina ngizobhlungu ngoba le number le bayiphikile amaphoyisa ukuthi ifoni yami bayithatha ifoni yami lencane le emhlophe white. Bayiphikile usayitshena imkhana umuntu owangibophayo. Kodwa nathi number umsheshisi siyakwazi ukuyibiza lapha ecourt.
My lord, I feel hurt or I feel pain in the sense that the police denied this number, or they disputed, my lord, that they took my small cell phone, the likes of Sergeant Mukhane, the ones who arrested me. Yet the state is reading out this number here in court now when the police denied that they took my phone.
The case ID is 103 1240. Now, when we adjourned on Friday, we were busy with communication on your main number, Exhibit DD 5, Roman figure 1. Is Exhibit DD 5E, Roman figure 1, the number ending 6890. And we referred to the contact between that number ending 6890 and the person that you saved as Sifiso Zungu under index 140. And we mentioned that you had communication with the person saved as Sifiso Zungu under index 140.
Sikushilo-ke ukuthi-ke bekunokuxhumana nalo obhalwe lapho 140 Sifiso Zungu 140.
And you then said you want to see the extract of the section 205.
Washo-ke ukuthi wena ufisa-ke ukubona-ke yona-ke i-205.
Mina ngisho njalo.
Is that what I requested?
Yes, when we adjourn, but
Azangisho lokho
I never said that.
mina ngathi kodwa ngisayikhumbula inamba le udeka Sifiso Mobu noma lo waseNewcastle ngisayikhumbula into engayishayo kodwa zangithi ngicela ukubona lokho.
What I said is that I cannot remember whether this is the Sifiso Zungu from or the Sifiso from Newcastle, but I never requested for an extract.
well, be that as it may, we have an extract of the section 25, exhibit DD 5E, Roman figure 1 for the number 6890, which indicate that your number ending 6890 on the 10th of February 2019 at 17:45 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 163 seconds from the number that you have saved as Sifiso Zungu under index 140, and that number 0607547895. The tower is 3G Impala Platinum.
the number yakho egcina ngo-6890 ngazo i-10 December, sorry, i-10 kuFebruary 2019, isikhathi u-17:45. Yathola-ke ucingo olwabuya kuyona-ke le number oyisaveke ngaphansi kwakhe-ke unumber 114 nanjengoSifiso Zungu. Inumber leyo u-060 754 7895. I-call leyo-ke yathatha-ke ama-seconds awu-163. I-tower u-3G Impala Platinum NGA.
Yebo ngiyakubona.
Yes, I see it.
Ingakho ngishilo phambi kodwa inamba la ngisakhumbuza ukuthi yena muphi uSifiso.
Hence I said before the court that I cannot recall which Sifiso this is.
Now, this person that you've saved under index 140 as Sifiso Zungu has also contact with Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4, on his number 071-395-3801, and the total number of communication between Sifiso Zungu and Mapisa is 15 calls.
15.
Yeah, 15.
Yena-ke lo umsave la njengoSifiso Zungu uxhumana-ke naye-ke noma ube nako-ke ukuxhumana naye umsola wesine uMapisa kwinamba yakhe-ke uMapisa, futhi-ke amahlandla abaxhumana wona amahlandla awu-15, ama-calls awu-15.
Mina ngazi.
I don't know.
Mabefonela futhi ngangengekho la inkulumo yabangibazi.
And when they called each other, I wasn't there. I don't know anything about their discussion.
And Sifiso Zungu, your contact under index 140, also has contact with accused number 1, Mr. Sibia, on his number 07937900137, and the total number of communication between them is 4.
Aphinde futhi-ke uSifiso Zungu lona-ke omsavileke lana kunumber 140 abe nokuxhumana-ke naye uSibiya umsola wokuqala, inamba yakhe u-079-379-0137, amahlandla amane.
4 calls between them.
Ama-calls amane phakathi kwabo.
Mina ngazi ngangengekho lapho.
I don't know, I wasn't there.
Now, the next communication that we wish to refer you to, it's between your number ending 6890 to a number 0722 06530. This number has been identified as belonging to Mr. Tembinkosi Bokela Ndwandwe.
The middle name again, sir? Middle name?
Tembinkosi Bokela Ndwandwe.
Siphinde futhi-ke sikhulume lana-ke ngokuxhumana-ke phakathi kwenamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 nale number 0722065530. Inamba leyo-ke inamba yakhe noma ichazwe nanjengenamba kaThembinkosi Bokela Ndwandwe.
Do you know Mr. Tembinkosi Bokela Ndwandwe?
uThembinkosi Bokela Ndwandwe uyamazi?
Hayi mina ngimazi.
No, I don't know him.
Bukela ayangimazi.
Bokela? No, I don't know
Yes.
the person.
He used to stay at Marikana and was working for a funeral undertaker on full-time basis in Rustenburg. You say you don't know him.
Wayehlala eRustenburg esebenzela ke noma ke indawo thizeni ke yabangcwabi khona kodwa ke wayengasebenzi ke wangesiyena ke umuntu osebenza njalo noma ke opermanent lapho.
Makuthi uBhakela Ndwandwe lengimaziwa ngapho oPhongolo ayakasebenzi leyo nto leyo usebenza imayini iMarikana imayini permanent.
If it is Bhakela Ndwandwe, the one from Ophongolo, then he did not do that kind of a job. He was working at the mines in Marikana.
Hayi lokho ngifundela khona lo neqiniso ubhalete wrong lo muntu uyakhohlisa.
What you just read out to me is not correct. The person who wrote it there wrote something incorrect. Is misleading you.
Nami iqose enkantolo igama lakhe ngalazi ukuthi uThemkosi ayithi bani Bukela ngathi Bhakela igama lakhe.
Even although I don't know his name Thembinkosi, but the word that was pronounced Bhakela, his name is Bhakela.
So you know a person by the name of Bhakela Ndwandwe.
Wena omaziyo uBhakela Ndwandwe.
Yeah, usebenza imayini permanent namanje ukhona Nkosi enkantolo eMarikana.
Yes, my lord, he is working at the mines permanently employed. Even now he is at the mine in Marikana.
Well, his statement has been filed as A187 in the docket.
Statement anaso ke A1 no 7 kwidokodo lecala.
Hayi mina ngisaze ngiqala ukusiza ngoba sifundwa namhlanje.
I don't know about it. I'm hearing it for the first time as it is being read out today.
Did you have telephonic contact with Bhakela Ndwandwe?
Ingabe kwakukhona ukuxhumana kwakukhona ngocingo phakathi kwakho noBhakela Ndwandwe?
Noma sengasakhumbula kahle Nkosi enkantolo.
Although I can't remember well, my lord.
Yes.
Ngoba umuntu obefika Nkosi enkantolo iqiniso vele umuntu obefika endlini kaButhelezi. Ngihlala khona.
Because he used to come to Buthelez's house, my lord, where I used to stay.
Well, his number is given as 0722206530.
I missed the other two.
0722
Yes.
06530.
Inamba yakhe ke lana ibhalwe ngokuthi ke u07 26530.
Yeah, inamba yakhe ngiyazi ngekhandela vele uBhakela ngiyamazi.
I don't know his number from the top of my head, my lord, but I do know Bhakela.
Ngoba nemoto yakhe bengigibela mangisuka ekhaya ngeseGoli.
Because I also myself and Buthelezi used to travel in his vehicle from back home coming to Gauteng, my lord.
Mawukuthi ubhuti ushuza akayile ekhaya.
If it was so that shoes did not go home.
And did you say he also lived at Marikana?
Naye wayehlala eMarikana uBhakela.
Ngithi usebenza eMarikana manje usebenza eMarikana.
I am saying he is working in Marikana. As we speak, he is still working in Marikana.
Well, Mr. Bhakela Ndwandwe is saved under index number 128 by accused number 3, Mr. Ncube, as per Annexure Exhibit S, Annexure C.
128.
Yes, index one, the third one from the top.
Okay.
No, this one.
Not this one. Sorry. Thanks. Number 128, Lana. So this is number 3. Number
Yes.
3.
Yes.
Lana ke kuma ila kuseve khona kamagama nenamba kucingo lwakhe ke umsolwa wesithathu lana usave nanjengo number 128 kuma contacts kamsolo wesithathu.
Manje mina lapha eboxini fan pendulate zamncube noNdwandwe ngasi baxhumana ngani ngoba nanga umncube usazongena eboxini.
Am I now expected here to respond to contacts between Ncube and Ndwandwe, not knowing as to what it is they were discussing, and Ncube is still going to come and testify.
Now, the reason why we are putting this proposition to you is that Mr. Bakela Ndwandwe is known both to you, Mr. Ncube, accused number 3, as well as Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4.
Isizathu sokuthi ke sikukhombise lokhu noma sikusho lokhu kuwena ingoba umnumzana uNdwandwe waziwa uwena, waziwa umsolo wesithathu uNcube, waziwa umsolo wesine uMaphisa.
Akwazi ungibuze court nobhakela uNdwandwe uqale nini ukumazi?
You've never asked me before the court as to when I started to know Bakela.
Mina futhi ubhakela kusumngane wami, umngane kaButhelezi. Lokhu usiza kusumngane umuntu omdala, ubhakela umuntu omdala sikhuluma ngomfanele ngana nami.
Bakela is not a friend to me. He's friends with Buthelezi to shoes. He's an elderly person. I'm not friends with people that are older than me or to elders.
Well, the extract of your cell phone records for your main number, Exhibit DD 5E Roman figure 1, for the number 6890, indicate that you have had 17 communications between, or your number has had 17 communications.
Objection, my lord. Thank you. I'm raising the issue on the fact that Bakela Ndwandwe is also in contact with my client, Mr. Mapisa. I haven't heard how. How is that contact? I haven't heard how is that contact between Bakela Ndwandwe and Mr. Mapisa. Thank you. I thought the
But
state
we
was
still
going to
come.
clarify that.
We still come into that, my lord. We still come into that. We were still busy. Mr. Ntanzi, regarding the communication between your number ending 6890 and Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530, we have posited to you that there were 17 communications between your number and Bakela Ndwande's number.
Besisathi kuwena ke bekunokuxhumana ke noma bekunokuxhumana amahlandla awu-17 phakathi ke kwenamba yakho kanye nayo inamba kaBakela.
Between the period 12 November 2018 and 16 May 2019.
Phakathi ke kwalesi sikhathi i-12 zikaNovember 2018 ne-16 zikaMay 2019.
We're just going to refer to the calls at random. The first call that we wish to refer to, it's on the 3rd of March 2019 at 1844. Your number ending 6890 on the 3rd of March 2019 at 1844 00 made an outgoing call, an MOC, to Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530, and the tower is Impala Platinum.
Date lana yi-3 zika March 2019. Isikhathi u-1844. Inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 yashayela inamba kaBhakela egcina ngo-6530. Isikhathi ke ama-seconds awu-92. I-tower i-3G Impala Platinum NGA. Yes, I see it.
Your number ending 6890 on the 5th of January 2019 at 08:25:48 made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 74 seconds to Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530, and the tower is 3G Nenge UNKZN.
Day 5 zika January 2019 8:25 isikhathi ama-seconds awu-48. Inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 yashayela inamba kaBhakela egcina ngo-6530 ama-seconds awu-74. Itower i-3G Nenge U9 KZN.
Yeah, ngangasemakhaya.
Yes, I was back home in the villages.
Kodwa noma ithawa ngayazi ukuthi ithawa enenge ithawa yako. Kodwa bakhomputha izindawo zangapha koNongoma.
Although I don't know the tower Nenge as to where exactly that tower is, but those are the places around Nongoma.
Now, your number ending 6890 on the 5th of January 2019 at 15:52 17 seconds made an outgoing call lasting 2 seconds to Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530, and the tower is still 2G Nenge KZN3. Then again, still on the 5th of January 2019, your number ending 6890 on the 5th of January 2019 at 20:24:23 seconds made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 119 seconds to Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530, and the tower is Eskwebizane U9 KZN.
Sekuzona ke i-5 kuJanuary 2019 inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 isikhathi u-15:52 nama-seconds awu-17 yashayela ke inamba yakhe uBhakela egcina ngo-6530 ama-seconds amabili itower u-2G Nenge KZN3. Sisekuzona ke i-5 January 2019 isikhathi 2024 ama-seconds awu-23 inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 yashayela ke inamba kaBhakela egcina ngo-6530 ama-seconds awu-119 itower 3G Esikhwebezane U9 KZN.
Is there any comment?
Ngiyabona.
Yes, I see it.
Mina ngithe phambi kokuthi nangisho ukuthi uBhakela ngazi. Bangiphikisa leli gama bekulifunda phambi kokuthi ukuthi angilazi.
I did not say before the court that Bakela is unknown to me, but I was just disputing the name that you read before the court, that I'm not familiar with that name.
Thank you. Then the next calls are found on page 46 of 372, case ID 103-1216. This calls between your number and Bakela Ndwande's number were made on the 6th of January 2019. 7 calls. The first one, your number ending 6890 on the 6th of January 2019 at 07:54 made an outgoing call, an MOC, lasting 59 seconds to Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530. The tower is Kotlokolo U9 KZN. Next call, your number ending 6890. The 6th of January 2019 at 8:55:45. Made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 2 seconds to Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530, and the tower is 3G Nongoma Town KZN. Next call, your number ending 6890 on the 6th of January 2019 at 08:56:30. Made an outgoing call lasting 2 seconds to Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530. The tower is still 3G Nongoma Town KZN. Your number ending 6890 on the 6th of January 2019 at 9:27:32 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 31 seconds from Bakela Ndwande's number. I'm sorry, Malata. See, Mr. Jonas appears to be grimacing in pain. Sorry. Okay. And the tower is still 3G Nongoma Town KZN. Next call, your number ending 6890 on the 6th of January 2019 at 10:30, 13 seconds, made an outgoing call, an MOC, to Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530. The tower is 3G Pongola Town KZN. Your number ending 6890 on the 6th of January 2019 at 10:30:35 made an outgoing call lasting 13 seconds to Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530. The tower is still 3G Pongola Town KZN. Then your number ending 6890 on the 6th of January 2019 at 14:27:17 seconds received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 7 seconds from Bakela Ndwande's number ending 6530. The tower is 3G Betal Post Office, Mpumalanga.
Thanks. Sisaqhubeka-ke ngakuxhumana-ke phakathi kwakho kanye naye-ke uBakela Ndwande. Qala lana-ke ngazo i-6 kuJanuwari 2019. Isikhathi 07:07 nama-seconds 54. Inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890. Yashaya ucingo-ke ishayela inamba kaBakela egcina ngo-6530. Ama-seconds 59. Itower 3G Kotlokolo U9 KZN nge-6 kuJanuwari 2019 08:55:45. Inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890. Yashayela-ke inamba kaBakela egcina ngo-6530. Ama-seconds amabili. Itower 3G Nongoma Town KZN nge-6 January 2019 8:56:30. Inamba yakho egcina ngo-6890. Yashayela inamba kaBakela egcina ngo-6530. Ama-seconds amabili. Itower 3G Nongoma Town KZN ngazi-6 January 2019 9:27:32. Inamba yakho 6890. Yathola ucingo olubuya kwinamba kaBakela u-6530. Ama-seconds 31. itower 3G Nongoma Town KZN ngazo i-6 January 2019 10:30 isikhathi nama-seconds awu-13 number yakho 6890 yashayela inamba kabhakela u-6530 ama-seconds amabili itower 3G Pongola Town KZN ngazi 6 January 2019 10:30 35 ama-seconds number yakho 6890 yashaya ucingo ishayela inamba kabhakela egcina ngo-6530 ama-seconds awu-13 u-3G Pongola Town KZN asekuthi-ke seyizona i-6 January 2019 14:27 ama-seconds awu-17 number yakho 6890 yathola ucingo olubuya kwinamba kabhakela 6530 ama-seconds awu-7 itower 3G Betal Post Office MPU Mpumalanga.
Yebo ngiyakubona.
Yes, I see it.
Mina nje ngokufunda kwami lamathawa la iyakhomba ukuthi mina nobhakela sasixhumana ngoba sasithi ngifuna ngiyogibela imoto yakhe nge-Rustenburg ngoba nayo imoto iyakhombisisa e-Rustenburg Platinum iyakhomba phansi ngamathawa mawulandela lamathawa onke.
As I am looking at this and how it is being read out and also looking at the towers, it is an indication that Bakela and myself were in contact, and because I wanted to know, I had to go and get into his vehicle so that I could get back to Rustenburg. And as you go down, it then indicates 3G Western Platinum that I was now in Rustenburg.
Ngoba nathi phone yami iyafika oPhongolo iyakhomba ukuthi kusuka kwaNongoma ngene eTexini ngayo oPhongolo ngifika oPhongolo lesikhathi sizothola uBhakela khona abe nokuthelezi bekulinde egarage oPhongolo.
Because it also indicates here, there is a tower that indicates 3G Pongola Town KZN, which means I took a taxi from Kwanongoma to Pongola to get to the vehicle where Bagela and Buthelezi were waiting for me.
Mina nje ngokwazi kwami ukubuka lamathawa abhalwe kuleli phepha lokho ngifundela wona.
According to my knowledge and also according to as I'm listening to the towers as they are being read out to me.
Next communication, your number ending 6890 on 14 January 2019 at 14:57 and 19 seconds made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 2 seconds to Bagela Ndwande's number ending 6530. The tower is Impala Platinum. The next contact is your number ending 6890 on the 14th of January 2019 at 15:10 13 seconds. Received an incoming call or an MTC lasting 121 seconds from Bagela's number ending 6530. The tower is 3G Impala Platinum. These two calls are found on page 58 of 372, case ID 1031216.
January 2019 isikhathi 14:57 2019 number yakho 6890 yashayela inamba kabhakela 6530 ama-second amabili itower 3G Impala Platinum NGA ngazi 14 January 2019 isikhathi 15:10 nama-seconds awu-13 number yakho 6890 yathola ucingo olubuya kwinamba kabhakela 6530 ama-second awu-121 itower 3G Impala Platinum NGA. Yes, I see it.
The next communication is on page 13 of 372, case ID 1031216. Still exhibit DD5E Roman figure 1. Your number ending 6890 on the 7th of December 2018 at 13:45, 30 seconds made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 47 seconds to Bagela Ndwande's number ending 6530. The tower is 3G Western Platinum NGA.
ngeyi-7 kuDisemba 2018 isikhathi u-13:45 ama-seconds awu-30. Number yakho 6890 yashaya ucingo ishayela-ke inamba kaBhakela 6530 ama-seconds awu-47 i-Tower 3G Western Platinum NGA. Yes, I see it.
As we have posited to you, Mr. Bakela Ndwandwe is a common contact between Mr. Mapisa, accused number 4, and Mr. Ngube, accused number 3. As far as the contact between Mr. Ndwandwe on that number ending 6530, he had 84 contacts with Mr. Mapisa's number ending 3801.
Inamba njengoba bese sishilo-ke kuwena-ke ukuthi yena umnumzana uNdwandwe ukuthi-ke ebenako futhi-ke nokuxhumana abanako nomsolo wesine umnumzana uMaphisa, aphinde futhi yaxhumane naye-ke umsolo wesithathu umnumzana uNcube. Yena-ke uNdwandwe kule namba yakhe egcina ngo-6530 uxhumane-ke amahlandla awu-84 kanye naye-ke uMaphisa kule namba yakhe egcina ngo-3801.
On the following case IDs: 103 1201, 8 times communication. Case ID 103 1208, 10 times contact. Case ID 103 1203, 7 times communication. Case ID 103 1204, 8 times communication. Case ID 103 1205, 26 times communication. Case ID 103 1206, 14 times communication. Case ID 103 1209, 7 times communication, total 84 communications.
Lo u-84 ke nanjengoba eshilo umshushu ukuthi kube nama nokuxhumana ke amahlandla awu-84. Uqala ke mama ubizwe ngokwama case ID ke uqala ke amahlandla awu-8 bese kuthi ke amahlandla awu-10 bese kuthi ke ku case ID u-103 1203 amahlandla awu-7 u-103 1204 makhulunywa ngama case ID ke ukhuluma ngale number lena kula maphepha la le number le ela ku right mbona 1031216 so lana ke u-1031204 amahlandla awu-8 bese kuthi u-1031205 amahlandla awu-26 u-1031206 amahlandla awu-14 u-1031209 amahlandla awu-7 uhlangeneke lawo amahlandla lawo enza u-84 ukuxhumana-ke phakathi kwakhe uBhakela kanye naye ke umsola wesine umnumzana Maphisa.
Because enkantolo mina ngingena indawo exhumana ngamaphisa noBhakela nangena indawo angibazi badejaniswa yini futhi.
My Lord, I have no business in contacts or communication between Bhakela and Maphisa. I don't know what it is or what it is that makes them to communicate.
Ngoba mina ukuxhumana kwami noBhakela nakho phambi kwekhoti kuyavela 2019 2018 sengise Rustenburg.
Because my communication and that of Bhakela, my Lord, is right here before the court. It was read out. It was in 2019, 2018 when I was already in Rustenburg.
Kulethi sikhathi ngiqala ke nami ngimazi lezo sikhathi leza Rustenburg ngoba uyefika endlini ngabuthelezi.
That's when I started to get to know him, my Lord, around that time because that's where he used to come to Buthelez's house.
Manje because kanti ngangiphendule into kaMaphisa mina noNcube nobani bani ngoba angibazi abangani babo ngangiphendule lezo zinto lezo. Ngokukhulu nje ukuhlonipha phambi kwekhoti.
Now, my Lord, with the greatest of respect before the court, I won't be able to respond to with regards to Maphisa, Ncube, and their friends. I don't know their friends, my Lord.
Do you still maintain that you don't know Mr. Maphisa and accused number 4 and Mr. Ncube accused number 3?
Ingabe usasho yini ukuthi umsolo wesithathu umnumzana Ncube kanye nomsolo wesine umnumzana Maphisa awubazi?
Nawo phambi kwekhoti abangazi nami ngibazi.
Here they are in front of the court or before the court. I don't know them, they also don't know me.
Ake ngiphinde lapha phambi kwekhoti ngicela ucacisele ikhoti. Umngane kaSibiya mina umngane kaSibiya ngimazi.
If I were to explain this before the court, my Lord, Sibiya's friend is unknown to me.
Umngane kaGwabini umngane kaGwabini angimazi.
Umngane kaGwabini?
Umngane kaGwabini.
Yes.
Mina ngibazi abangani baGwabini.
Gwabini umngane wakho.
Umngane wami uGwabini abangani bakhe abanye angibazi.
Gwabini is my friend, but I do not know Gwabini's friends.
Manje sicela phambi ukuthi singadibanisa izinto ezingadibani. Ngiyacela. Izinto zoBhakela noMaphisa ngiyacela ngokukhulu ukusithoba.
I am requesting with the greatest of respect that I not be asked about things that I have no business in. Now being asked about Bhakela, Maphisa, I'm requesting that I not be asked about such.
Yes, we have posited to you that Bhakela and Ndwandwe is known to the three of you, Mr. Maphisa and Mr. Ncube and yourself.
Esikushilo ke kuwena ukuthi ke umnumzana uBhakela lona noma ke uBhakela lona waziwa wena, waziwa Ncube, waziwa na uMaphisa.
Angazi mina ngiqala ukuzwa ngawe namhlanje phambi kwekhoti.
I don't know about that. I'm hearing it for the very first time from you here in court.
Because enkantolo sikhumbule Rustenburg ngiye ngo-2016.
My Lord, let's remember or recall that I went to Rustenburg in 2016.
Mina uqala nje mhlambe uBhakela ngize ngambona lapho ma-2018 2017 uBhakela uqala nje lokho ubefika endlini yaButhelezi ngibona ngalazi igama lakutena Bhakela.
Then I started to know Bhakela around 2017-2018 when he went to Buthelez's house. Initially I did not know that he was Bhakela or his name was Bhakela.
Now, Mr. Bhakela Ndwandwe had 3 times communication with Mr. Ncube, accused number 3, and the case ID is 577930.
Umnumzana noma ke uBhakela ube nokuxhumana amahlandla amathathu kanye naye ke umnumzana uNcube, i-case ID yakhona ke 577930.
Ngangingekho lapho mina ngazi nakwazi.
I was not there, I don't even know.
Ukuthi baxhumana ngamuphi unyaka ngazi. Ngoba lapha ekhotha ngitshela ukuthi baxhumana ngamuphi unyaka ngazi lokho.
As to the year of their communication, I don't know because even before the court, I'm not being informed about the year.
Yes, but we've gone through the records. And if you want to know about the year, it's 15 January 2015.
Uma bese sifundile ke i-record kodwa ke uma ngabe ufuna ukwazi unyaka ke i-15 January 2015.
Manje mina Nkosi enkantolo lapho uBhakela ngamazi.
By then, my lord, the Bakela was unknown to me.
Yes.
Manje ukuxhumana kwakhe nomncuba ngibazi bangena nangendawo lapho. Lokho ngishilo phambi ukuthi angendawo lapho.
I have no business with him being in contact with Mncube. I said that.
Right. The number of accused number 3 ending 8169 on the 15th of January 2015 at 16:28:25 seconds made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 86 seconds to Bakela's number ending 6530, and the tower is Moy Street SGS. Then the number of accused number 3 ending 8169 on the 15th of January 2015 at 17:05:36 seconds made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 304 seconds to Bakela's number ending 6530. The tower is 2G Moy Street. This communication is found on page 102 of 184, case ID 577930, and it's exhibit DD 5 in brackets F Roman figure 1.
Gay 15th January 2015 isikhathi 16:28 ama-seconds awu-25. Inamba kamsolwa wesithathu egcina ngo-8169 yashayela inamba kaBhakela egcina ngo-6530 ama-seconds awu-86. Itower i-2G Moy Street SGS 1. Phinde futhi nge-15 January 2015 isikhathi 17:05:36 inamba kamsolwa wesithathu 8169 yashayela inamba kaBhakela u-6530 ama-seconds awu-304. Itower 2G Moy Street SGS 1.
Then the third call, the number of accused number 3 ending 8169 as per exhibit DD5 in brackets F Roman figure 1 on the 22nd of January 2015 at 1300 hours and 24 seconds made an outgoing call and MOC lasting 52 seconds to Bakela Ndwandu's number ending 6530. The tower is 2G Belgravia SGS. The calls are found on page 108 of 184, case ID 577930.
Isikhathi ngazo 8:22 January 2015 isikhathi 1300 nama-seconds awu-24. Number kamsolwa wesithathu igcina ngo-8169 yashayela inamba kaBhakela igcina ngo-6530 ama-seconds awu-52. Itower 2G Belgravia SGS 2. I don't even know. And I wasn't there when they contacted each other. Even the towers that have been read out to me, for example, 2G Moy Street SGS 1, I don't even know where that is.
Yes. The next common contacts between you and the other accused that we wish to refer to is the communication that we have partially already referred to between your number ending 6890 and Sifiso Gwabeni Zungu's number ending 5812.
Okunye ukuxhumana ke sokukhuluma ngakho ke ukuxhumana ke phakathi kwenamba yakho 6890 kanye naye futhi ke nabanye ke abasola uSifiso Gwabeni Zungu.
Now
kunamba ipha
le egcina ngo 6890 eyakho egcina ngo 6890
and Zungu's number being 0769985812.
or 11 076. Yeah, I see it.
Now, the extracts of the Section 205 records as per your cell phone number ending 6890 as per Exhibit DD5 in brackets E, Roman figure 1, indicate that the was a total of 118 communications, 118, between your number ending 6890 and Gwabeni's number ending 5812.
5812. Masibuka lana ke isinikeza ke amahlandla ke okuxhumana phakathi ke kwenamba yakho egcina ngayo 6890 kanye nenamba yakhe ke oGwabeni eku 5812 isinikeza ke amahlandla ke okuxhumana awu 118.
On the following case IDs, case ID 103 1214 34 times communication. Case ID 103 1215 41 times communication. On this case ID, this also includes 2 please call me's. Then case ID 103 1216 18 times communication. Case ID 103 1218 7 times communication. Case ID 103 1218 4 times communication. Case ID 103 1224 13 times communication. Case ID 103 1225 1 time communication, bringing the total to 118 communications.
La mahlandla ke awu 118 ekukhulunywa ngawo ke ilana ke noma ke atholakala ke ngalendlela kule case ID ke lesikhulunywa ngayo ukuthi le number ibhalwe la ikhonini u103 1214 amahlandla awu 34 khulunywa lana ngokuxhumana phakathi kwenamba yakho nenamba yakhe uGwabeni u103 1215 amahlandla awu 41 kuhlanganisa ke no please call me ababili 102 1216 amahlandla awu 18 103 1218 amahlandla awu 7 103 1218 amahlandla awu 4 103 1224 amahlandla u13 103 1225 hlandla elilodwa uma itotally kunisihlanganisa ke namahlandla awu118.
Because enkantolo noGwabeni ngiyaxhumana ngomngane wami.
I do make contact with Gwabeni, my lord. He's my friend.
Namanje ngiphatheka kabuhlungu ngingasho ukuthi mina noGwabeni sixhumane ngamopho unyaka ngoba phela kufundiwa kuphela ukuxhumana idata ifundiwa nonyaka nokuthi ngangekuphi.
The only thing that saddens me, my lord, is that the only thing that's being read out is that there was the communication part, but as to the year and as to where I was, my lord, that those details are not being read out.
Yes, so we have placed the case IDs on record. You can take it up with your counsel.
Nanjengoba sikufundeleke ukuthi le number lena ethinike iyona ke le number ezokhola ke usungathi ke usebenzise yona ke le number case ID ubese ukhulumisana ke nommeli wakho yena kozokukhombisa.
So izathu sethi ngikumphendula kanjalo ecourt. Ecourt isithethe icala 2014. Phela asho ukuthi ngixhumana noGwabeni 2018 2019.
The reason I'm saying that, my lord, is because the case that is being tried before court is a 2014 matter. So it should then be stated as to whether my communication with Gwabeni was in 2018
yes.
Or where exactly.
Yes. Please call me your number 6890 on the 31st of October 2018 at 093259. Sent a please call me to Gwabeni's number 076-998-5812. Again on your number 6890 on the 2nd of November 2018 at 14:39:09 seconds. Sent a please call me to Gwabeni's number 5812.
Oh, please call me Bonage. Wakunge 31 October 2018, 3932, ama seconds of 59, number yakho 6890. Yathumelage. Oh, please call me Gwabeni number egcina ngo5812. Phinde futhi ngazo ke noma nge2 November 2018 number yakho 6890 yathumela ko please call me number kaGwabeni 5812. Lawa babi.
Yebo mina ngiyakubona.
Yes, I see it.
Mina uGwabeni angishonde ekhotha kumazi umngane wami omkhulu.
I never disputed the fact that I know Gwabeni, my lord. He is my best friend.
It's 11:15, my lord. We're going to take the normal shorter journey.